Hey, good morning, everyone. Sorry, I was just sitting here looking at charts and forgot about the time. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for being here on this Thursday, July 11, 2024. Well, it looks like the CPI number was okay. The market seemed to like it, kind of a cool number. So looks like let's get over here to the SPY. Looks like the bulls are going to perhaps keep the market going up here. Next target I've got is about 564.40 right in here. We've cleared the 557 and a quarter number. Man, a lot of people think we're heading to 570, and why not? I mean, so far there's no signs of the SPY backing off here, and the Qs are clearly doing a great job right there. The diamonds yesterday finally popped up with a decent candle. They've been trying over here in the past, but they keep getting pushed down. Well, yesterday we closed up pretty good here, and it looks like we're up this morning, taking on the 398 target, 400 next up here. So, well, let's just see what's going to happen here, okay? Wait 1 second. All right, I'm back on. Let's talk about some charts here. Something I've been watching here is some of the precious metals. They're doing pretty good. Let's take a look at that FCX. Now, you guys all know I mentioned it yesterday. I own some of this already. I think I'm going to look at buying more today. This is going to be something I'm going to do. We're over the 50% retracement area right through here. Next target up is about 52.95, 53.95, and then 55.10 is what I'm looking for. Retest this high. So FCX is going to be big time on my list. AKAM did buy a little bit of that yesterday, and I'm going to be very serious about buying more. I can't say whether it's going to be today or not, but I'm very serious about buying more of that. Target 97, then 100, and 103 up here. Nice rounded bottom, and we're entering into that rounded bottom breakout area. So that's, 2 thumbs up on that one. We'll see if that can keep going here. Let's look at Intel. So Intel's starting to come into what I would call my buy box. 3 days ago, we popped up, and we actually kind of sat right down in here. And then yesterday we put an inside day to this bar, and today we've got an inside day to this bar as well. So we're moving a little sideways. So what's happening is I'm becoming very interested in another position on this. We had it here and then sold it, took the profits, and now it might be ready for another buy in here. If we take a look at this, we've got the 50% retracement up here, about 37. Nice bottom. Get to that 50% retracement makes for a very good target. And then after that, we'll look at, let's see, up here around 80, 38, 75 or so, something like that. And that will be the 200 period moving average on there. So Intel is back on that buy list now, pretty hot and heavy. Let's look at everyone's favorite, or at least the one everyone likes to talk about, NVDA. NVDA cleared the 134.70 target. Already this morning, it looks like it's taken on the 137.46, 45 up here. Next target, challenge these tops up here, 140.10. Hey, NVIDIA, keep it going. That's, that simple. This is one we own. If I see a pullback in here, I am going to buy some more. Well, let me rephrase that, all right? So if we have a pullback, it's not that I'm arbitrarily going to buy some. If we start to pull back, I'm going to wait for the green candle. Follow the candle. Follow the price action. Price action is the candle. So I want to see buyers step back in. And I have no idea where it could pull back to. I'm not even going to try to guess. That is a non-trading issue to me. Follow the candle. Let it pull back. Let the buyers step up and then trade based on what those buyers are doing. So that's what I'll do with that. But like right now, I already own a little bit, and it's doing well for us. So chewy, let's keep our eyes on chewy. This just might be setting up. We've got a nice run up, big old pop up here to 39. And then here we've pulled back. You can see our trend is still holding very well right here. Very, very well. So I'm going to look at that chewy. We'll see what it does today. I don't have to be in a big hurry about it. I'll let the scanner tell me what it's doing, or the scanner will alert me to go look at the chart. I'll look at the chart and make that decision. But I think chewy might be one to take a look at. Let's take a look at that weekly chart. And on the weekly chart, very nice pop the upside. We're now back down to the T line here. Nice little PBO pullback opportunity. And then up here at 30 bucks. Then we'll look at that 39 up there. Ed just posted in the room. Man, once again, I forgot. So we have members e-learning today in the combo room. Let's not forget that, okay? Members e-learning today, starting at noon Eastern in the combo room, okay? All right, where else are we here? Let's see, weekly, let's go back to daily. So let's take a look at SSRM. These are just popping up on the scanner right now, pre-market here. Gold, precious metals, you know, they're starting to really wake up and look pretty good here. PAAS, there we go. PAAS, we're just now breaking out. So right here to me, this is buying opportunity. We popped up, we broke out, we've got a brand new breakout. I'm gonna lower that a little bit. Brand new breakout, so that becomes a buying opportunity in here. 50% on the 50% retracement line is here about 25.50 right there. So that's shaping up pretty nice. Some folks might want to wait for a little pullback. You know, you get to the hard right edge, it becomes your trade. How are you going to trade? You know, make your plan. If you don't have a plan, ask us here in the trading room. I'll do my very best to help you develop a plan that fits you, because everybody is just a tiny bit different when it comes time to put the money out there. Let's see, NEM is another one, NEM. That's up pretty good. Now that one I might have to see a pullback on a little bit, but pullbacks, they're coming, you know. They all pull back. When you see a chart like this and you think, man, I wish I would have bought it down here, that's the chart you want on your watch list. It really, really is. That's a chart that will give you another chance. So Gilead is also one that I'm very, very interested in. Here's Gilead. We've got a gap up, back. This is what we call a gap and trap type setup here. And we're right now challenging the 50% retracement. Next target up, 70, we'll call it 70, 90, 72, 80, 74 up here as targets up there. So that's a pretty good one there. Let me look around the scanner here, see if anything is moving too much. Not really. So IWM, look at that big old gap in there. Yowzer, daddy-o. Man, do you think the bulls might be waking up just a tad? All right, so you know, we had a light, cool, I guess, CPI number, so that's going to help everything in the market here. Remember just to follow the trend. That's all you got to do. Follow the trend. So take IWM here. The trend has now been broken. We can put sort of a line up here if we want. Very adjustable. We don't have much of a trend to work with really at this point. So I'm going to do something like that right there. Yeah, I'm going to do something like that. So just follow that trend as long as we keep moving up. Ideally, what I want, let's get rid of all that now. What I want to see is price above the T-line above the trend indicator. Because we're so close to the 50 right here, I want the trend indicator to be above the 50. So I'm not interested in IWM so much today because the trend indicator is not above the 50. Tomorrow, perhaps, Monday, perhaps, that's going to put IWM on the map in my book. So that's what I'm going to be waiting for. All right. AKAM just dropped. Ouch. Yeah. We'll keep an eye on that, good son. Thanks for pointing that out. Yeah, we'll definitely keep an eye on that. Let's see what brings toward the end of the day. We'll watch that. All righty. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching this. I do appreciate it. And we'll see everybody here in the trading room at the bottom of the hour. Remember, we have members e-learning in the combo room at noon Eastern today, okay? Thank you. Oh, yeah. And John today still has his open house in BYOB day trading. So if anybody wants to check that out, and I encourage you to check that out. Absolutely encourage you. So, all right, we'll see everybody bottom of the hour. Thanks a lot, everyone. Appreciate it.